Right, hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to the Bitcoin update today. The troublemaker is here, and we're pretty frustrated as traders. All of us are pretty frustrated because if you look at what Bitcoin is doing, from the all-time high here, we're down like 16% only, okay? And as far, like 2024 hasn't gone the way we expected it to go. I'm gonna actually admit this because we thought that this is the final year where we get things to be interesting. We saw some coins moving so good. We saw Solana doing good. BNB did good. But other than that, what else happened? Matic hasn't done anything. Like Matic until now is just 40% up from its all-time low and still coming down, even though Bitcoin has made a new all-time high. So it's very, very weird. It's just a nested market. But as long as you hold, I think holding long enough is just going to decide your fate and how you are going to end up. I cannot really say what is happening now can be said the same as what is going to happen after 1 year. Maybe things can really change. We still have to give it time until 2025, 2026 maximum, because that's where I see the bull run still heading. We still have a lot of time. I think it's just a temporary pain and anxiety, but I think people who are earning, have extra money, they have an amazing opportunity to still buy. I think that's very fair to say. But now Bitcoin is down again at 61,347. For a reason, for a moment I thought that, hey, you know what? If I go back into the weekly, we had a bull flag, okay? So I do believe that this was almost like a flag and we were about to move above. So we saw this flag printing out, came up, coming down, maybe just continue up to $99,000. But I don't know why they just stopped it right over here. They started to push it down again. But now, is everything over? Well, there's one thing that I want to talk about that I just saw, and it's the most simplest thing ever. It's just an EMA, simple EMA, okay? So you have lost the 10 and you have come to the 20. Previously you touched the 20 and you bounced back up. Now let's say you make a crossover between both of these, right? If you maybe start to make a crossover, maybe we could even see a dip down to 55, right? It is what it is, 49, 50,000. That's where it may make a lot of sense right now. But we're still not done. Considering the fact that altcoins are already very, very low at the moment, maybe this is the time where Bitcoin can, decide to just hold the 20 and try to climb back up again and actually continue to move even to the upside. Now, it will be even better if we try to see Bitcoin getting back like this, because that will mean that this is a bullish rectangle and we cross above it and then we continue to go to the upside. That's just a likely scenario that can actually even happen. So I do hope that this video does help, and keep in mind we have some few support lines over here going on as well. So if you do check, there's a lot of influence going on in here, and you can see the last time you touched it, you moved up, you touch again, you move up, you touch it, you move up, fake out, and then you touch again, and then you moved up. So this has been a very good buying position as far as I'm concerned. But I think if Bitcoin does make it below $56,000, then maybe we do go to 50, 49,000 K. So that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Love, peace.